understand how to fix cross-site request forgery, CSRF. CSRF is the most severe vulnerability in OAuth as well as in web vulnerability assessment. So how to fix CSRF, that is cross-site request forgery. In order to fix cross-site request forgery, all you need to do is implement a CSRF token. Token is like an additional parameter that you will need to add into each and every request that is being sent by your server. So every user who is logged into your application requesting a form, it could be a get, post or anything. Whenever a request is asked by the user, send that request with a CSRF token. That token has to be unique to that particular user's session. So one user requesting one form will get one unique CSRF token with that request. And once the user fills in the request, maybe it's a form post with some fields, you will key in the data and give back the response. Once that response is sent by the user to the server needs to validate, check whether the form that is coming to him with details having the CSRF token is valid or not. Valid meaning, did I give this request to this user who is authenticated with a valid session and this token exists with me? He does that check in its database. So there will be a database of CSRF tokens which will have all the current present values. So we'll check for that CSRF token value. If it is valid, then only you will accept that request. If the server does not find that particular token in its database, it should just reject that form. At the same time, reusing of CSRF token should also be taken into consideration. Meaning, if you are keeping a database of all the CSRF tokens that are being given by the server, and once the response is coming back, that token, CSRF token, should be deleted. So there should not be a huge pile-on or huge database of CSRF tokens. Once a token is given, its response is received, it's validated, deleted from the database. So the token, keeping a CSRF token is the only way of fixing cross-site request forgery. That is, validating or ensuring that each and every request is the unique and genuine request that the server has only sent to the client. So to fix CSRF, implement CSRF token which is unique and complex and should be validated at the server end. Thank you.